Hello car owners! Today I'll show you DIY on how to replace rear position lamps or taillight bulbs for Volvo step by step, for noobs like me. If one of the bulbs is not working, you'll get a message in board computer. In my case, error is in Italian. Gusta lampada luce posizione, and it means that rear position lamp or lamps are not working. Turn off the car ignition before starting. You can look for the reserve bulb in the boot of your car. In the case of Volvo, there's a box near the spare wheel with all the bulbs you need. Unless they've been already used, then go to the store. I got lucky, found RSW or 5007 light bulb in the box. As you can see, one of the two taillight bulbs is not working, have to replace it to be safe on the road. Let's start this do-it-yourself step-by-step guide. Turn the knob to remove side panel and to get to the light bulb. Then squeeze the tabs to remove the bulb's housing out of the taillight. Then turn on the ignition to make sure which bulb doesn't work and needs to be replaced. Remove bad taillight bulb by simply turning it. Take a new rear position bulb and put it in. Then of course check if it's working. Then carefully reinsert bulb bracket into the taillight. It'll snap into place. Remember that bulb in the box is not working and should be replaced, to avoid any future fails. Last check. Well, everything is Gucci. Nice! Both lights are working and I can feel safer on the road. Turn on the ignition and check for any notifications. If you see words like these in Italian, it means there are no errors or info messages. Congratulations! This little work takes only around 10 minutes to complete. We saved up a lot of money by not driving to the car service, and you can use your money to buy beer. Don't drink and drive, by the way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next used car owner DIY video. Ciao!